Let me show you how you can quickly access a Microsoft Copilot 3D. This is fascinating. And so if you want to turn your images into 3D models, you can easily do it by using Copilot 3D. So to access that, you want to open up Copilot, of course, and if in case you're not able to see the sidebar, expand it, and you should find Labs in the upper left. Click on Labs. And so from here, scroll down and you'll find Copilot 3D. Click on Try Now, and it's going to open it up for you. And so this is basically a Copilot 3D. You can easily go ahead and turn your images into 3D. So here you can have some option. For example, you can see these 3D models. And if you want to basically go to your creations, you can click on creations right here. You want to sign in, of course. So simple click on sign in and you can sign in with your Apple or your Microsoft account. I recommend that you use your Microsoft account. And so you will be able to quickly sign in from here. And so once you log into your account, you'll be able to use Copilot 3D. And that's it, guys. Very easy, very simple. That's where you can easily find and access Copilot 3D.